Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making slime. So the greatest you need is some glue. Let me pour the glue in there right quick. First I'm going to get my paper towel. Rinse it out. Then I put my glue in there. Got that much. Then I'm going to get my air freshener. Get my detergent. This is detergent. Yes? I don't know. Okay. So yeah, I'm back. I didn't mix none up. Okay. Close you. I am back, guys. Put some more air freshener. It's working.
I'm like, what was 2 can that chili one?
I think so.
2 cans are open. What's that?
My stuff.
Okay, but I thought I said don't make no more of that.
So guys, I am back and I'm about to store it up. Ain't put nothing in there. It's getting thick, y'all. It's getting thick. I got in trouble for making this, but she said nothing.
Then beat the baby. Beat the baby.
On video. So, oh y'all. Oh, I'm about to get in trouble. No. Okay, so I'll be right back when I put some more air freshener in there and I clean my hands. Okay, so I didn't have to put no more air freshener in there. As y'all seen, oh yes I do. I think you're cute.
You know this song? I think you know this song before me. But I just knew it. Well, I didn't just now. Right?
Okay, so I just made some slime, y'all. Playing with it till my phone get cut off.
Oh, they got broccoli on too.
All you need is detergent, a bowl, glue, and air freshener. Ooh. Wait, y'all.
Ooh, and he got the girl one. See, look, it's a girl.
I know it. I know that. I watched that video like 2,000 times.
Oh, that's the cute. You got lipstick on. Not that. See that one.
Well, I'm about to show y'all how to, like...
cute.
It's a little bit sticky, so I'm about to get some more air freshener. I'll be back to you. It's a little bit sticky, y'all.
Who chili is this I'm sitting from?
Yours. So yeah, it just made a little bit thicker.
Cause the best part even so long.
Mine's over there. I'm about to move mine right here.
So guys, hi, hunkies and hunkles.
So
I am back.
Now
I
I'm
call my channel Hunties and Hunkles.
I call mine different. So y'all, I'm about to show y'all again. See, it's not sticky. Oh, look at that.
I need you.
So that's what y'all do stuff. So yeah, I'm about to play it a little, and I'm about to
Oh, shit, I forgot my cheese.
it's getting a little thicker. It's getting thicker, y'all. Oh, this getting thick. I think you know if you put no, somebody told me if you put water on it, your slime gets bigger. My friend told me that, and it really worked it. Her slime. So y'all, and that's new too. That,
I know it ain't filled.
yeah.
It's not a lot though.
Okay, who went through that side gate?
What's me?
Okay, go back out there and close that gate up. Get back, my kid. Get up.
Had to get big.